Welcome back, everyone, to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the world of drones with a focus on the Hiturbo S20. One of the best selfie drones with camera follow-me capabilities on the market. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a gift, this drone promises a lot. Let's see if it delivers. The Hiturbo S20 stands out with its sleek design and robust features. It's equipped with a 1080p camera that captures crisp, high-definition footage. Perfect for capturing those epic aerial selfies or exploring the world from a whole new perspective. Controlling the S20 is a breeze. You can pilot it using the included remote control or switch to the Hiturbo FPV app for more advanced features like voice control and trajectory flight. Plus, with its Wi-Fi connectivity, streaming your flights directly to your smartphone is seamless. One of the standout features of the S20 is its dual battery system. Each battery provides up to 12 minutes of flight time, and with 2 batteries included, you can extend your adventure to a whopping 24 minutes. Perfect for those extended outdoor sessions or capturing multiple angles. Now, let's talk about flight modes. The S20 comes packed with features like altitude hold, which maintains a steady hover, making it easier to capture stable footage. It also offers 3D flips, headless mode for beginners, and one-key takeoff and landing for added convenience. Out of the box, the S20 impresses with its build quality and ease of setup. You'll find everything neatly packaged, including spare propellers, a USB charging cable, and a user manual to get you up and flying in no time. Users have been raving about the S20. From its durability to its intuitive controls, it's been a hit with both kids and adults alike. Whether you're looking to learn the basics of drone flying or simply capture stunning aerial footage, the S20 ticks all the boxes. In conclusion, the Hiturbo S20 drone with its 1080p camera, dual batteries, and user-friendly features truly stands out as one of the best selfie drones with camera follow-me capabilities available today. It's affordable, packed with features, and perfect for anyone looking to explore the skies. That wraps up our review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy flying with your Hiturbo S20.